So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access all your submission that you have been done on any problem on LeetCode. So LeetCode provides you with this facility that all your submissions are compiled in one single place, so you can access it at any time and without any premium membership of LeetCode. So to access one, all you need to do is to just simply like this is the basic interface. You all have been familiar with this one. Now to access the submission, just simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. Once you do that, here only you're gonna find this option which says submissions. Just simply tap on the submissions option. Once you do that, you're gonna find that all your submissions are listed here, even if it's accepted or the wrong answers with the runtime and the language on which you have been performed the question. You're gonna find all your submission right here only. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.